This warning has been issued by the Vesperia State Police Department. We have issued a civil danger warning for the entire Nulux County. Please listen carefully to what we are about to say, as it might save your life. As of this broadcast, there have already been 150 reports of people seeing their deceased loved one with unnatural characteristics. Every single one of them was legit. However, there could be more than 150 creatures roaming around the county. We will be working with local law enforcement and the Vesperia State Research, but we are already losing control as more and more frantic calls are being made every minute. We will now repeat and update the instructions from the last broadcast. First, lock or barricade your doors and windows. Second, if you see or hear one of your deceased loved ones, do not listen to them. Do not let them in, no matter how real they seem. Third, always be vigilant, as these creatures can still get inside your home. Fourth, if it gets inside, use any sharp object or short-range firearm.
Fifth, you have to kill them. They are no longer them. Do you remember what happened 2 years ago, right?
Sixth, if you terminate one of these creatures in your home, then call your local law enforcement. Seventh,
let them in. Don't you miss them? How long has it been since you last saw them? Wanna feel their warmth again? Then let them in.
don't listen to it. They are not real anymore. This is all for now. Thank you for your time and have a nice evening.